This is going live tomorrow, but today, boy do we have a teaser. And you know it's gonna be a pretty epic teaser because it's made by one of the most talented visual artists I personally know. His name is Kern. You may have seen him in a small handful of my videos before. But anyway, here's the teaser.
The world is a weird place now. People around the world go to great lengths to get what they want. We've been controlled.
Cool transition.
Incredibly miserable.
This guy still packing the gear. He just couldn't make up his mind.
Do you think we may have brought too much gear?
You are the one who couldn't make up your mind.
Oh,
This 13th August,
not quite sure how this is gonna
we walk on dirt, steal a car, and travel around Malaysia to find the most
Minor accident.
Quite a big crack.
Instagrammable places. We invade your homes, drop them iPhones, and have loads of
Cool shots of a dog.
cool tree.
First of all, you stole my car.
You sure they can understand?
Mission Instagrammable, a YouTube Premium Original. We had to add a wah sound effect because we can.
It's not actually a YouTube Premium original. We just put it in there because we wished it was one. Would be epic if it was. That was probably my 15th time watching it in the past hour because Kern really has a thing for making really epic looking videos. But hopefully that really epic looking teaser is making you a bit more anxious to watch the first episode of Mission Instagrammable when it does come out tomorrow. But until then, there is actually something else for you to watch over at Kern's channel because he has actually made a video detailing his thought process on how he made that teaser. If you want to learn how to make videos like Kern, I'll link that video up here in the end screen and in the description down below. One of the most talented filmmakers I've ever met. And until then, be sure to tune in tomorrow 8 PM. First episode coming soon.